Trust is like a mirror. Once it's broken, even if you piece it back together, the cracks still show. But what if you could rebuild it stronger than before, without therapy? Stick around, because today we are revealing the step-by-step process to restore trust after cheating. No therapist required. Cheating shatters relationships, but it doesn't always have to mean the end. Many couples recover and even grow stronger, but it takes work. If therapy isn't an option for you, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 powerful strategies to rebuild trust on your own. First, no more secrets. Rebuilding trust starts with radical honesty. Share passwords, be open about your whereabouts, and answer questions without defensiveness. It's uncomfortable, but necessary. Apologies mean nothing without change. Show, don't tell. Small, consistent actions like checking in, keeping promises, and being emotionally present will slowly rebuild faith. The betrayed partner will have triggers. Anger, doubt, and sadness will resurface. Instead of frustration, respond with patience. Healing isn't linear. Replace painful memories with new ones. Plan dates, trips, or simple moments that reinforce your renewed commitment. Positive associations dilute the past. Set non-negotiable rules moving forward. Whether it's cutting off certain friendships or setting communication standards, boundaries prevent future slip-ups. Rebuilding trust is hard but not impossible. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Have you ever repaired a broken relationship? Let's discuss. And remember, the strongest bonds are often forged in fire.